Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Motorola Edge 30. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here let's try finding Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game. Now let's go back, click on our profile icon, move to the settings, then family, select parental controls, and here's those two ways you can fix that. First one is to disable parental controls, enter your PIN and then set OK. Second is to go for apps and games, enter your PIN again, go with OK and increase PGI to at least 18. Then save, go back. Let's try finding Call of Duty again, and as you can see, the game is right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.